Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we are going to play a fun math game called Guess the right answer for addition. Look at the numbers carefully, add them, and choose the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's start. First question, 5 plus 0. Let's check the options. 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 5. Great job kids. 5 plus 0 equals to 5. Second question, 4 plus 1. Let's check the options. 3, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 5. Well done. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Third question, 7 plus 1. Let's check the options. 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 8. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Fourth question, 6 plus 3. Let's check the options. 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 9. Great job kids. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Fifth question, 5 plus 5. Let's check the options. 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer is 10. Well done. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Great job kids. You did an amazing job solving addition questions. Keep practicing every day and become a math star. See you in the next fun learning video. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.